name is Dominic from Sentin, and now at TechMatch, we work together with Audico on the project Evalo. Together, we develop a fully automatic solution for cleaning and repairing mold modules for concrete construction. While Audico, with the robotic technologies, is providing the muscles to handle the modules, we from Sentin develop a brain for the solution. Based on image data, we train an AI to localize and categorize the defects and the dirt, so the robot can carry out the needed cleaning and repair.
Audico is the first publicly held robotic company in Denmark. We specialize in making robots for the construction industry. In TechMatch, we have partnered up with Sentin for creating a new system for robotically repairing formwork panels that are used in the concrete casting. Repairing them is time-consuming and constitutes up to 50% of the work of a panel supplier. That's where Evalo comes in. By combining AI with robotics, we are creating a breakthrough system that can automatically detect and repair damages to the panels, keeping the fleet in good shape. Through this, we are helping construction to use less energy, time consumption, and improve the work environment within the industry.